Hey guys, I wanna real quickly talk about how I learned English. By learned, I mean that I can speak more or less freely. I can read some books like that and another books like like this, like this, yeah, and other books. I can watch videos and movies, and I feel myself pretty freely. So, this video can be get it like a method for any language to learn. So, my first question to you: how did you learn your native language? And answer is you did not learn it by grammar books and other, for my opinion, useless stuff for beginners. You learned it by being in a society of people who speak your native language, and you, from maybe a couple of years, you started speaking, and it's the main point of this video. You should introduce yourself in the sphere of this language. You should swimming in it, like you don't want to read grammar books. You want to hear some for the first time noises for you, but after a couple of months, it's not noises, it's words and sentences. So it's a main point. Listen to music and learn lyrics. How did I do this? I have been listening to rap music like Eminem and stuff like that, and the main reason you want to learn foreign language by listening to music is that you can open the lyrics for this song or rap composition, and you can read it and listen at the same time. And after a lot of repeating this song, you want it or not, you can remind this song, and you can translate after these words which you don't know. That's a really good advice. And another advice is listen to podcasts. Of course, Joe Rogan. It's the main podcaster of the whole world, and it's really interesting podcast. But it's not the main point. The main point is you want to listen some noises of this foreign language that you want to acquire in your life. And after a couple of months, you can recognize words, and after sentences, and after some day, you can put it in your translator and translate it to your language. It's very useful skill which you surely want to acquire. Watch movies and videos with original voiceover. It's it's obvious, you can say, but what I want to say is, if you want to watch videos or movies with subtitles, do not watch it with your native language subtitles. If you want to watch videos and movies with subtitles, use this language subtitles, because you will be reading only text on your language, and you would not have an experience of learning foreign language that you want to know. By myself, in my opinion, I can say that I don't like to watch. I didn't and I don't still want to watch videos and movies with subtitles because I'm concentrating on this text and don't watch a video or movie. It's not for me, but maybe for you. And the main advice of this video: keep your balance in any sphere of your life, and especially in learning foreign language. It's so important. You want to acquire it, and you can do this only if you see the long-term perspective. And if you want to run this marathon, you should be in the balance, in the harmony between learning and not learning. It's so obvious, and you should be in this middle point. You don't want to be on this side or on this side. I recommend you to check out the link in the description, named by Betly.live. Is a social network for personal growth which I made with my father, and you can check this out. And that's it. Thank you and goodbye.